Hi guys, it's Jamie for Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you could join me today. I am sharing the new Pink and Main release with you. I have a special coupon code for 15% off the Pink and Main section in the shop. So use code SUMMER to save 15% off your order. I'll have that on the screen for you. I have a free with 60. It's the Hello die from My Favorite Things. So if you pop this into your cart, you'll see the price come off your total once your cart reaches the requirement. So you must spend $60 or more. If you already received the Hello die, leave a comment in the order comments box saying you would like something else, and I will send you a different freebie. So I'm going to start with the paper. I love the paper. It's so pretty. I love these colors. This one's sunrise, and it does remind me of a sunrise. I love these colors. So we've got polka dots, different plaids. The paper is double-sided. Nice quality paper. Really, really pretty. 6x6. And then we've got sunset. So the same patterns, but in the sunset colors. Beautiful. So let me put those to the side, and I'll start off with their stamps and dies. So we've got their dies. They're hot pink. I love that. So this is a die for the new Turtley Amazing, which I love this one. These little turtles are so pretty. And then there's a lot of texture on here, so it's going to make for some easy coloring. You get a little starfish, some coral, a shell, some seaweed, and then you get 2 sentiments. I'll ride any wave with you. You are turtly amazing. There's this great fancy shell die. You get 3 of them, so they're large shells, very pretty. See, there's some very pretty design inside there. Hot pink dies, I love that. We've got the narwhals. So we've got a girl scuba diving. We've got your narwhals in different poses. There's a bow around him. He's got a bow tie, and this one's got a little crown and a bow. Isn't that cute? And then there's another girl scuba diving here, and she's got a bow in her hair too, and a little bow or a necktie. Very, very cute. And then you got some shells, a little speech bubble that says stay awesome, and a little speech bubble with a heart. And then whale, hello there. Believe in yourself, just keep swimming. You couldn't be more extraordinary. There's another one up here. You are so special to me. And then we've got this little heart. Really, really cute. And then there's coordinating die. We've got wave borders, and then there is double stitching. Great for those water scenes. The smaller stamp set here is called My Sunshine. So you get the large sunshine in the cursive, and then you get the other smaller sentiments to pair up. You are the sunshine of my life, sending you sunshine and smiles. Hello on a cloudy day. Sunshine and rainbows. Sunshine to brighten your day, and you are my sunshine. And then there is a sunshine die. So we've got the sunshine die with the outline. So you could use it with or without that outline. So it gives a little shadow in the background. We've got a smaller shell stamp set here. It's called Celebrate. So you get 5 shells, and then you've got the block, the solid, to stamp to create the color if you did not want to color in the shells. And then you get a sentiment. Let's celebrate your awesomeness. I like that sentiment. And then there is a coordinating die. This is a great cover plate die. This is the Sunny cover die. And you get that sunshine rays. There's stitching on both sides. And then there's a little banner that you can use separately to add your sentiment. And then there's this nice area down here. So you can actually make this as a grass area, and this is your sunrise coming out, and then you can have your little image here, or you could just use this with this great sunshine sentiment pack here. Just by adding that big sunshine there would make a nice card. We've got coffee and mermaids, so you can't go wrong with that. So this is Mermazing Coffee. Look how cool the design is on the cups. And then the handle here is actually a mermaid tail. So we've got a latte with a little mermaid design on the front. And then you get a smaller one just like it. And then you get this mermaid here holding a latte. There's steam coming out of it. And then you get a couple of hearts, and then some sentiments. We're fantastic together. You, there's a little heart, me, heart, coffee. Always mermazing, coffee helps. We mermaid to drink coffee. Coffee makes life mermazing. Super cool. And then this is the coordinating die. You can see the coordinating die will cut out the center of this little cup here. So we've got a girlfriend. Then we've got a very cool surf mobile here with the little surfboard at the top. And we've got the little surfboard in the sand with a little seagull. We've got a little seagull here drinking somebody's drink. And then a little scene here with seagulls on the poles. And then the beach house with a little surfboard in front. There's a little banner up there and a little seagull on the roof. The sentiments read, "Hey girlfriend, how about a dose of vitamin C? Life's a beach, surf's up." And then there's the coordinating die for this one as well. So this one is called Norse Day. Very, very cool stamp set. You get your Vikings in different poses there. You get some cool sentiments. There's Norway, I'd forget your special day. Stay strong, you've got this. Happy birthday, have a Norse day. I've taken a Viking to you. I'm plundering if you would like to get together. So this one's really cool, and it's got all that texture on there. Really, really cool. And then the coordinating die, of course. And then I picked up one of their older stamp sets, which is one of my favorites. This one's really cute. This is Seize the Day, and I love these cute little underwater creatures. I love the way they were drawn. There's a little sentiment, Seize the Day. Super cute. And then there is a coordinating die. So you can use the coupon code SUMMER for 15% off your pink and Maine. I'll have that link down below. And don't forget to grab your freebie. And U.S. orders over $60 ship for free, and I do ship internationally. I am having issues with my website connecting to PayPal. It's very sporadic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. They're still working on a fix for that, but you still can check out with a credit card. That's working just fine. So let me know if you do have a problem with your PayPal. That way I can pass it along. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. And watch out for my next video. I'm going to have a giveaway. Bye, guys.